Mr. Chair, may I move to strike from the records the statements of Mr. Manuel that were irrelevant and not germane to the topic, especially when he makes statements attributed to our colleagues in a statement that he made outside. And may I also request the chair to remind all our guests who are here as guests to please show respect for the members, and again, not to bring up statements, reactions that are not germane to the topic. You can make your reaction outside. The media is all there. They will listen to you. But let's stick to the course. We're all here overtime, and you need to use our valuable time to say something to the good senator. I know him so well. If you had something to say, he will talk to you. So may we remind everyone of that, Mr. Chair.
Pero ano namang kinalaman ni Sanchez sa ROTC? Ano namang kinalaman? Kaya this serves as a warning to your group na wag niyong dadalhin yung mga walang katuturan dito sa committee ito.
Ito, such as law enforcement and rights awareness, magkakatalo na lang kung amongst the ranks of our public officials ay hindi po nag-agree doon. Lalo na if we have a senator who will say na okay lang na makalaya at may second chance yung isang rapist na mayor, habang yung mga mahihirap ay madaling tokhangin na lamang. Yun lang, maraming salamat.
Yes,
Chair, can I react?
of course, of course.
Ang layo naman ng sinasabi mo, Mr. Kasama ba yan dito sa hearing yung comment ko na yun? Ang layo naman. That's an affront to
We want human rights as part of the curriculum of
Please,
NSTP.
please let Senator Bato finish.
Ang layo naman nung, bakit ka nagkaganon? Ano na nangyari sa utak niyo? Ha? Ang layo naman.
We can send you a copy of our position paper.
Ang layo. At saka, I take offense on your what you said na yung ROTC is a misrepresentation of nationalism. Anong tingin mo sa amin? Anong tingin mo sa ganun? Ganun ka lang mag-judge sa amin? Dinadjudge mo kami na ganun? Ha? Are you sure you're the representation, you're the true representation of the Filipino students? Ganun ba? Ilan lang yan makakaliwa dyan sa estudyante. Mas marami dyan ang gusto mag-ROTC. I must tell you frankly. Bakit ka? Ang layo ng issue mo. Just to personalin ako? Napakalayo. Dapat matuto. Kung may ROTC, dapat ikaw na estudyante ka, matuto ka, magrespeto, kahit sa senador man lang na andito sa hearing na ito. Huwag mong tirahin sa ibang issue na hindi kasama dito. Ha? Huwag mong...
Honorable Chair, I would like to respond dun sa point na marami daw na gusto mag-ROTC.
Mr. Manuel, let me recognize you first before you talk. And let Senator Bato finish.
Ikaw, kung Pilipino ka, do you love your country? You answer me. You love your country? Ha? O sige, you respond.
Of course, students love our country and we have different ways to show that we love
you
our
love your country. Pag inatake tayo ng China dito, sinong palabanin mo dyan sa mga Chinese na yan?
Actually po yun yung program namin, since gusto namin na ipaglaban yung ating bansa mula sa foreign invaders, pero mismo sa ating constitution, the AFP, which is tasked to preserve our integrity and national sovereignty, ay hindi natin nakikitaan ng real intent to defend our country. So wala tayong role model for that.
Submit mo na lang sa amin yung position paper po ninyo, kasama yung position paper ng isang mga kasama ninyo. No? Senator Bato, can we proceed?
Mr. Chair, may I move to strike from the records the statements of Mr. Manuel that were irrelevant and not germane to the topic, especially when he makes statements attributed to our colleagues in a statement that he made outside. And may I also request the chair to remind all our guests who are here as guests to please show respect for the members, and again, not to bring up statements, reactions that are not germane to the topic. You can make your reaction outside. The media is all there. They will listen to you. But let's stick to the course. We're all here overtime, and you need to use our valuable time to say something to the good senator. I know him so well. If you had something to say, he will talk to you. So may we remind everyone of that, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Pia.
Sir,
Mr.
may
Chair,
I, seek,
dagdagan ko lang. Ito, if he really represents the students, ganyan na talaga ang state ng mind ng mga estudyante ngayon na dapat baguhin natin. Mali po yun. Ako, if naniwala ka sa akin, mas matanda ako sa'yo. Mali yung sinasabi mo. Gusto mo lang akong tirahin sa ibang issue na hindi naman natin titackle dito. Now, since, Mr. Chair, since sinabi naman lang itong ating resource person about doon kay Sanchez case, alam nyo, gusto lang ninyo talaga akong sirain, kaya kinukuha niya yung sinasabi ko na gusto niya akong butasan. Did you know na ako mismo gusto kong bitayin yung Sanchez na yan? Ha? I am for death penalty. Kung may death penalty nun, dapat nabitayin na yung Sanchez na yan. Pero, kayo naman, ayaw naman yung death penalty. Ngayon, bigyan na second chance dahil na-reform na yung tao, according to the competition, eligible siya for pardon, ayaw na naman nyo. Saan kayo pa? Saan na kami pupunta? Anong klaseng pag-iisip? Saan kami pupunta? Gusto ko death penalty, ayaw nyo. Ngayon, i-release yan dahil walang death penalty. Titirahin na naman nyo ako. Ako bang gumawa ng batas na yan? Eligible siya by operation of law. Dahil sinabi ng batas. Ganon. Respetuhin natin. May batas na ganon. Pero hindi ko kagustuhan yan. Kung akong gusto mo, samahan mo ako, bitayin natin yan? Ha? Kasi lang talaga, that gusto ko, kung ikaw ang representation ng estudyante ngayon, ganun na pala, ang estudyante ngayon, kawalang disiplina, kahit ang senador, kayang tirahin sa walang non-relevant issue dito sa ganitong forum. Ganun na pala. Kaya dapat pala talaga, balik ang ROTC para madisiplina kayo mga estudyante na kayo. Ha? Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Bato.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to seek apology for...
And let me remind Mr. Manuel, NUSP, and the rest of the groups that we invite in this committee. We invite you for the sake of fairness. Alam ko naman kung anong sasabihin ninyo eh. No, this is your third time to be part of this hearing. And alam ko na kung anong sasabihin ninyo. Pero binibigyan namin kitong oportunidad magsalita para marinig kayo ng mga bagong senador natin. Pero ano namang kinalaman ni Sanchez sa ROTC? Ano namang kinalaman? Kaya this serves as a warning to your group na wag niyong dadalhin ng mga walang katuturan dito sa committee ito. Dahil sinisira niyo yung aming pagdinig at sinisayang niyo yung aming oras. And again, we're exercising fairness. Kaya bigyan niyo naman kami ng respeto. Kahit alam na namin ang sasabihin ninyo, ini-invite namin kayo. In fact, we invited all of your colleagues. So, last na ito, and next time we invite you, if ever we invite you, stick to the topic. And this serves as our warning. Again, I'm directing the committee secretary to strike off all of the comments that are not germane to the topic of ROTC.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang malaman nila na baka mamaya yung ini-incite lang ako na magalit para kuno i-contempt sila para may rason sila magulo do Senado. Wala akong pakialam, umuwi ka, hindi ka na may kukulong dito.